I removed people and other distracting elements from these summer photos, not with Photoshop. And in this quick video, I'll show you how. If you have summer photos that would be Instagram post worthy but other tourists are ruining them, be sure to download the UniConverter from videoconverter.wondershare.com, as it's what we're going to use today for clearing up the background of these images. Then once you have it, open it up. The tool you'll have to look for is the Watermark Remover AI. Don't be fooled by its name. It's not only for watermarks, and it's been improved in the upgrade of version 16, and it works very nicely. Now, the photos I'll work on are absolutely average in the sense that I took them with my phone while visiting these places without trying to find times of the day where there are less people. So I think you'd have similar issues with your beach photos or photos of touristic attractions. So navigate to the image editing tools and then click on the Watermark Remover AI. With this tool, you can work on up to 100 images in a batch, and it supports these formats. So import the images you'd like to remove objects from. Then, with the brush tool, draw over all the parts with distracting elements. You can change the size of the brush here, and deselect parts too you drew over accidentally. Zoom in on the image for more precision, and do this on all of your images. Then select an output folder and click on Export. Note that you'll need AI credits for the tool to work, that you can get either with a subscription plan or buy them in packages. The Watermark Remover AI will start processing the images, and you'll see a green success sign on each when they're finished. So let's look at the picture again before the removal, and let's look at them now. The Watermark Remover AI did an amazing job. Bear in mind that you might have to add altered image on Instagram to show that AI has been used, as some parts of these images have been regenerated, meaning that you can't say that this is how they look in real life. Also, during the process of removal, you'll get a drop in resolution. So if you need these images in a higher quality or resolution, go over to the AI image enhancer afterwards and enhance their quality or upscale them. You can do that in a batch as well. And nevertheless, I think this tool is a great help to fix up your summer photos. So if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you in the next video.